Hi, Mrs. St. John. I'm your child's math teacher for Integrated Math 2. This is a course that they absolutely have to have in order to get their high school diploma. So it's very important that they pass this class because otherwise they'll be repeating it. They will need 3 math classes to graduate high school. So most of my kids are like 10th graders. I have some 11th graders. But so that, they passed a 9th grade math class. Now they have to pass a 10th grade math class, and then after they finish their 11th grade year, they can choose whether they want to take that 4th year of math or just meet the high school requirements and be done with it. You can see on the screen, this is my virtual math classroom. So one thing I want to point out is every single day at 10:50, Tuesday through Friday, students can come connect with me at Zoom. Zoom is over here on my bookcase. So you just click that button and then I'll be able to see them at home every single day to give them help if they have questions, if they just want to listen to what I'm talking about live to the in-person people that day. There's links to lots of different things. They should be part of Remind. This is a calculator, if you can see what I'm pointing to on the screen. This is, a link to our actual textbook that we're using. There's a little poster behind me that I'll move myself out of the way. There's a little poster behind me that you guys can get a whole pizza for your families on Fridays, so that as long as you put your order in, I will make this larger. As long as you put your order in by Thursday at 11. Then Friday you can, your kid can bring home a whole pizza. Nice little snack for them, or maybe you share with your brothers or the whole family. Brothers and sisters. But, it's a pretty basic class. These are links to what's going on in the week, and then there's all these folders. And in the folder, here we are, I'll talk about last week, week 4. They'll pull it up and they'll say, read me first. This is what I should do. This is a little video. Then they have to upload an assignment, another video. These are cool videos because I'll click on this one. How it works is, it's called an Ed puzzle. It's pulling up right there. The kids will start it, and you'll see at the bottom of the picture these little dots down here, and those are little questions that I ask them along the way. So they'll watch the video. We'll watch this first one. It comes along. It's going to hear me talking.
For our second video in week 4, we're
trying to move it forward. Oh, it won't let me move forward because it's locked.
Now this is going to look very similar to stuff that we did
But what I'm trying to show you is that as the video plays, there'll be some information, some math stuff, and then when we get to one of those little dots, there's a question about the video that will be asked.
Are talking about similarity?
Well, it's not letting me show you that quickly, so I'll just let it go. But so there's just little questions, and then what I see, let me go back. What I see when they do this is I get a little, I get a little information about who's seen the whole video. Oh, good job, Yvette. I didn't mean to pull you up. Let me just go back. And then who still has to see the video. Everything in the week is there, and we go through the different lessons through the week, and they have everything for each week is due by Sunday at midnight. And then on Monday, which is the beginning of the week, so they have the weekend to finish everything, and then Monday they'll take a quiz. So here's the quiz that was for the beginning of week 5, which was quizzing the last week. And then week 5, I can show you that material. Well, it's actually, I have to load it all, but they'll just click on week 5. Here we are. And this week, here's a video. They need to upload some stuff. Anything that says DM stands for Delta Math. Delta Math is a program. I will show it to you. That it gives them a few math problems that they have to actually work out, and how that looks. Come on, log in quickly, please. Delta Math is an online program just for practice with math, so it's really nice to have the kids be able to see what it is. So I'll go in as a student in period 4, and your child will see something that looks like this. Hold on, let me move the screen over. Well, they'll see something that looks like this. This is, I can't get the screen to show, but it'll show, you know, how there's 5 problems to do. So this assignment, they had 10 problems, and it will tell me what percent is complete. Now the thing about this is they just have to finish the work. If they get some stuff wrong, it's okay. I'm looking for completion. In fact, a student can pass my class if they do all the homework and take all the notes, and if they do poorly on all the quizzes, they can still get credits because they've put some effort in. So really check with your child to see if they are completing the work. Ask them to look at Schoology, and you look at their grades and go, oh, I see you need to finish this, this, and this. And if you can get on them, it will help them, because, you know, they're 15, 16 years old. They're not always thinking like, oh, I got to do this for my future, but we want the best for their future. So let's work together as a partner, the parents at home, me at here, trying to get everything that they have done. All right? Well, hopefully you enjoyed my little video and trying to understand a little bit about math. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.